You know what I'm saying? Where the plumber at?
Hold on. I know you want to see the plumber. Give it a second.
I know you.
Let's look at the girls real quick. Let's see what they got. And after that, we'll go ahead and fast forward to the plumber.
Are all of them under 30? Because if they are, I can't watch this.
It's like somebody auntie for real.
See, I lost my eye. I used to be able to tell the difference between 21 and 28. And I can't. If they don't look 30, I don't recognize them. She looked 15.
Okay.
22.
That's a questionable outfit.
Yeah, she was trying to look
That
young.
girl's the other one.
She was trying to look young. She was trying. Indian outfit. Oh. Oh, she had nose rings. Oh, she was.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your host Arlette and we're here with another
Arlette. Too. I really just want y'all to give y'all opinion on this plumber. He's very blunt. He don't mix no words with nobody. And I'm gonna let you determine.
Let me see the person just for the plumber.
Pop the balloon.
Okay, the person right before the plumber. Okay, we'll do it that way.
Oh, the plumber's the last guy?
I mean, I don't know. Maybe he is. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, he worked quick too.
Well, how about this? Let's go. I'm gonna give you the
Right there, yeah, that's good. Yeah.
Somebody that like you be like, all right,
Yeah, but that.
All right, let's go with him. Because I feel like, Sharon, if you seen him on the street back when, you might talk to that brother right there.
Sharon wouldn't talk to a nigga look like that.
Quit it. What are you talking about? Hey.
Man.
Shoot, maybe not like him.
So I didn't think I needed
that's
skincare
how you about these
until I
commercials,
saw how easily it
man.
picked up my hair every
Well,
time I
we
drive.
have
It only
commercials.
takes a
I
minute.
can just
Look
do a
at that.
commercial
The
like
heavy
this.
spots are extra
This
thick for
is a
amazing
commercial.
trap and lock.
The
Even for
one-
his hair.
Why put it
Wow,
this
you'll
stick?
love Swiffer or your money back.
You don't face your fears.
You
You ride them.
At least it didn't start already.
Twister, I'm sorry.
July
Yeah.
19th.
Twister.
Comfort, support, and pretty. All in one. The new Vanity Fair effortless wireless
That's
draw.
X-rated.
Get that. I think it's a valid criticism, and I think it's good. I like what you said.
Yeah. She's like, what are you? Okay. All right.
Yeah,
Well,
like,
Ryan,
Sharon,
we weren't
I'm
able to
saying
find
probably
you match
shoot
today,
him
but
at all.
thank you
Like,
so
you
much for
wouldn't
coming
have no
on.
chance.
Let's give it up
Appreciate
for
you
him,
guys.
So
ladies.
that's the
Thank you,
reason
guys.
why
I'll take
we
the
don't
mic.
waste your time.
Because
Thank
you
you.
dress like a
Now
b-boy.
that's the reason I say we skipped it. All them.
All right.
I
Let's
feel
go
like
ahead
you
and bring
might
out
give
our
this guy a
next
shot.
single guy.
Why are you trying to hook her up?
What? Okay.
Ow!
I had to take
Wow.
this mic. What's your name?
I don't like
Antoine.
Antoine, how old are you?
I'm 27.
27. Okay, and what do you do?
I work at a plant, but I also personal train.
I mean,
Okay,
he's dressed
very cool. And now, what are some things you like to do for fun?
Really work out. Just self-love. Focus on
casual,
self-love.
but nice.
Okay.
That's me.
So you're all about the gym.
Yeah.
You haven't looked past his bicep.
That as well.
Okay. And now, what are some things you look for in a woman?
Stop being a hater.
Really,
You
make sure
ain't
she
gotta
love
be here your
herself
whole life, Pop.
first, and then just she gotta understand that
I'm
a
not
happy
here.
man is God's plan.
Okay. Now, what are some of your deal breakers?
You said what?
What are some of your deal breakers?
No.
Smoking. Smoking is just a no deal for me.
Oh, auntie
That's
out.
really it. And then you gotta be a gym girl. Be a gym girl.
A
as
gym
well.
girl. Okay.
Gym girl.
All
Man,
right.
you gonna
cool.
bust
So
all
we
the
did
girls
get a
up.
couple of pop balloons.
Would've
Let's go on over to these girls and see what's
5
going on.
girls
We'll
left.
start right over here. We can have your name and age.
When I was 27,
My name is
I was
Jacqueline. I'm
a gym girl.
25.
Okay. And Jacqueline, why'd you end up popping your balloon?
I'm initially not really attracted, but also you said you want a gym girly, so I'm not that either.
I don't think she's a gym girl.
All right. And now, I know you said you're all about the gym girl. She says she's not. So is she someone that's your type?
Oh, no, she good. She good.
Thank you.
She good.
See? He said even if you're not a gym girl, he's feeling you.
No response.
Okay. And then we did get a couple down here as well.
Girl, put a bra on.
All right, if we can have your name and age.
That
I'm
auntie?
Lex, I'm 23.
Okay, and Lex, why did you end up popping your balloon?
Because he's not my type. Like, just physically, he's not my type.
Okay, so physically, what is your
Dang,
usual
I
type?
don't like his ankles so skinny.
Uh-oh.
I always say girl in the blue. Watch.
More,
Maybe not.
I don't know. I don't know. I can't even tell you.
Those
When
ones-
the blue is
Just like the
itching to
energy,
pop.
possibly.
Can't you tell?
Or whatever.
You said
The
physical,
light blue,
though.
you see it,
Yeah,
right?
like physically, your energy is not.
She like this.
Like
Oh,
that you go
she
to.
ready to pounce.
I like that.
Pop
though.
it.
I got you.
Yeah. Any second.
Appreciate you.
And now, is she someone that's your
It's
type?
nice looking.
Next
Well
one works on
dressed.
She's trying to look at his other bicep.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
See, you still
It's
trying.
nothing, it
And
is
she,
what it is. I
she
don't know
been
none of y'all.
goofy.
Hey, things can change.
You know what I mean?
Let's go
You
over
trying to
here.
shoot,
Your name and
but
age and why
He
you
just trying to have some
balloon.
fun.
I'm Jasmine. I'm 26. I really just popped because I smoke weed. Everything was cool, but you say you don't like people who smoke, so
Oh, yeah.
respectful Bob.
Same
Plus, you
thing.
look like
I
somebody
think
who's
everybody's
smart.
cool, but
Smoking.
That is not the
She
shot.
could have wore the fishnets, but the fishnets with the whole.
okay, let's go
You
on over
look
here.
trashy.
We can have your name and age.
It's like she
hi, my name is
got
Mishna. I'm 23.
And Mishnah, why'd you end up popping?
Oh,
your balloon?
life has
I
been
popped my
life in
balloon because
her.
first you said you're a personal trainer, but then I heard you speak about
That
how
makeup.
much God is in your life, and I was like, darn it. But then I also I just felt like
Life been
more
life
or
for her.
less, I just don't see us being
I promise you, I
compatible
thought
with
she
you being
was
so
gonna
big
say all
into the
35.
gym. I'm not a gym girly whatsoever. I personally dance. That's my choice of
She's
exercise.
a nice looking
So I
girl.
didn't want
23.
you going to the gym and me being like, no, I'm good. I didn't want that to be an issue, so I just figured I'd just rather separate myself.
I understand. That's one thing I should have emphasized on. As long as you've been active.
See, there you go.
Active is active.
This could have been a thing. It's okay. It's okay.
Well, next time.
Okay. And so,
Now,
apart from saying
ladies
the whole
know.
gym thing, is he someone that is your type though?
He's
No,
definitely
no
someone that
ballet.
parents would like. I feel like he walked in the door and they'd be like, "Oh, thank you, Jesus!" Like, she finally got a husband. No, but like, definitely, you are more or less
She's
my type.
African.
It's just, it happens. People make mistakes.
Yes,
still.
yes.
Okay.
She from a different tribe.
We do have one more here. We can have your name and age.
Corny
Hi, I'm
reasons.
Karma. I'm 24.
And Karma, why did we end up popping our balloon?
I just wasn't feeling the chemistry, but then you said that the smoke weed thing, and I do smoke weed, even though it's not my biggest partake and it's not something I would hold on forever. It's something I do right now. Same way with Jim. I don't mind. I would take on to your same things and be able to do it together, but you know, chemistry's a thing.
Hey, them nose rings would have canceled me.
Respect it.
That's what I'm
All
saying.
right. And now,
She has
Antoine,
no-
she's someone that's your type.
Yes,
Oh,
at
she
least one.
does. I see
I don't
that.
know nobody, but at the end of the day, if the chemistry there is there.
Absolutely.
I don't pick and choose.
We love a God's man.
I don't
Okay.
pick and choose.
All
I
right.
don't pick and choose.
All right, cool. And I think we did get a couple that we missed. If we can have your name and age.
Charisma, and I'm 27.
Oh, yeah.
And
she
Charisma, why'd you end
smokes.
up popping your balloon?
I mean, I smoke a little weed here and there, so
Nah.
That's why he's
She
so
lied.
Okay. And
She
then before you
smoked
said that you
smoke.
did have unpopped. Why did you?
So why
I mean, he's
he
handsome.
smoke weed?
I like
No,
No,
he said
he
he
doesn't.
doesn't
He's a
lie
gym
together.
bro.
Oh, okay.
He's into,
Yeah.
Okay.
fitness.
I know you won't say the same thing again, and we want something
You
different,
cancel. You
okay?
smoke, you
We
cancel.
need something different. So, is she someone that you would approach? if you
No,
saw
Miss
her out?
Piggy.
Somebody I approach, I would say no, just because I'm more of a petite guy.
Mm.
I'm more of a petite guy.
Okay, all right, thank you.
You work out
Let's
so
go
hard,
back
you
over
get somebody.
here.
Oh,
Like
still
me, I know
in
I'm
We
meaty,
have your
so
name.
because I'm meaty, I don't mind meaty.
23.
Yeah,
And Esther, why did you end up
if I
popping
was
your
like
balloon?
really slim,
We
I
could be
wouldn't
fighting
mind
for
smoking.
food if we been both meeting.
Not as
It's not
You're
true.
not ugly?
I am
You're not
meaty.
ugly. No,
I got you.
it's not that. It's just not.
It ain't giving.
No, it's giving. You look good. I
Even
like your
like Holly
outfit,
Berry.
I got you.
but it's just a physical
Who
thing,
does?
physical
Her?
attraction.
But
Okay,
No.
so is there something, because he's trying to figure it out too. What is it? You know, we want to know.
Funny I said physical attraction. I feel like you feel me?
You are handsome, just not to me.
Damn, I got you.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
What does he need?
He's
He's too
handsome.
plain?
No, he's
Great
handsome,
teeth,
but not
too.
her type.
Like it puts the
That's
height.
all.
Great,
dark
great
skin,
teeth,
maybe.
physical
I
fit.
mean, I said a lot of handsome guys,
I mean,
but
when
not
he
my
gets
type.
height,
You know,
you
so I can
got
work
the
on
height
He
though.
tall, dark, and
Self-
handsome.
self-approval.
What's
It's
what?
like
Why
you
am I
and
popping the
older,
balloon?
You know,
Because
you
it's
are
not their
someone
type.
else's cup of tea.
You can just be
It's
tall, dark, and handsome.
I got you.
She's been
So how are
too
you feeling,
picky.
Esther? Would you approach her if you saw her out?
I probably would.
I see him, he competition.
Thank you.
I'm hating on the niggas.
So
that
we
suit.
do still
Off-
have
off
3
site.
popped
And he
balloons.
I'm
quiet.
over here talking
And he
about
quiet.
shuffling.
Yeah, he quiet. He
Yeah,
ain't
she's
flam
more
flam
than
blowing.
I hear what you're saying, but I'm
I
just
got
saying.
you.
Whatever.
Get that word out your mouth.
He ain't flam blowing.
50-50.
Fam.
That either that.
50-50.
Oh, Let's start right here.
What happened?
Oh, you said
Name and
50,
age.
50.
Take 50-50 on
I'm
the date.
Kayla. I'm
Shut up for a
23.
second.
Okay, so Kayla, why'd you end up popping? From him asking how you feel about 50-50.
Because I'm not trying to like backtrack on my past relationship that we was doing 50-50 there and I didn't like it. Cause I feel like if I'm cooking food, if I'm cleaning the house, if I, I feel like that's the 50 right there.
I never said about payments or nothing.
Well,
I
then
said
explain.
50-50. It is can you adapt? That's a better question. Can you
Yeah,
adapt?
okay. Yes, I can.
Because I can be holding you down, but then again, life happens. Life on life.
Yeah.
Can you adapt?
Well, then if that's
Are
the
you willing
case,
to adapt?
yes. Yeah, so.
But that's what he wanted to blow
Move back.
pop her balloon.
Just grab the kid
Let's
of
get
the
that little money. I'm not doing nothing.
See, Kayla,
She was
that's
looking
why
for
you
a reason
should've
to
just
pop.
asked him.
You're right. That was my fault. I'm sorry. What?
She's kind of cute.
You know what? Hold on. I'm about to do it again. 'Cause you know what? I tried to shoot my shot at him a long time ago. And he, like, never gave me the time or attention. And he probably don't want to tell nobody, but he's, what's the people? Security at the club. And I be trying to shoot my shot there, too. And he still don't give me a chance. I'm good. I don't care no more. I'm good.
Salty.
She know it. So she just know it from the outside. Oh, he been doing his job.
And she met it before.
If I see you in the club all the time, it's just, come on now, let's be.
It's not even all the time, but I also got you on Instagram. So
It's like,
make some shit shake. Make some shit shake.
what you saying? You heard that? What you say?
So you're saying you see her out too much,
Yeah, it's.
and that's like that's not okay.
Even though I work security,
Little bitty
at the end of the day,
tail
I'm not making money.
Fix
If you was
it
out
up.
making money, that's different. But you going out,
You see what I'm saying when I say
I'm cool.
when you have bigger boobs, right?
Let's go ahead and go on over to our next girl.
Little boobs.
Baby,
She's not-
baby, I'm listening to the show. I ain't looking at boobs.
I'm looking at her outfit.
Oh.
What's
That's a
outside
cancer.
too much?
I do not like that outfit on her.
Pop the balloon.
sections,
Too much is the part I'm trying to
She
figure
drunk.
out.
too much.
I mean, if she had a
Every
situation where
weekend
she
is
lost a lot of weight or something,
Okay.
okay, I can understand it. But
She's a
And
good
then I
boy.
think your initial question
she
was
does not,
how you feel
that
about
is not
50-50,
an
right?
outfit for
No,
her
I
to
ain't feel
wear.
about being able to adapt.
Oh, you did
trying
something.
to, she's trying to be chosen for the date.
I'm gonna answer
I mean,
50-50.
but-
With 50-50,
The outfit doesn't work for her.
But look at her low, that cleavage line.
I feel like
You
that's a
can't pull
case by
anything
case
up. Pull up.
scenario. Like I don't
Build
have
it
a
up, build
problem.
it up,
It
like,
depends.
How?
Like I don't
Work on the
mind
muscles.
adapting because you did say adapting. So I don't mind. Like every relationship is different. So
I'm keeping my balloon, hoping to
whatever works for each
At the end of
different
the day.
relationship works. Like I'm not opposed to 50-50 is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, I mean I don't mind it. I would rather like throw that in there. I would rather more so the man putting in more. I'm not gonna lie about that.
Yeah.
I would more so
But you think it's
again,
straight money.
prefer a man
What
putting
you
in
bring
more,
to
but
the
I don't
table.
mind a 50-50
Yeah.
situation.
sometimes
It depends on the situation.
What is the table? What's
I
on
like
the
it.
table? Tell me.
Let's go down here.
Oh, ouch.
All right, if we can have your name and age.
Sure, my name is Dira. I'm 22 years of age.
Okay,
You
and
look
then
32.
Andrew's question about the whole 50-50.
I'm sorry, the question is
Can you adapt? So basically, if we was in a relationship, of course I'm gonna take care of everything I'm male, but can you, if something was to happen, are you able to
I mean,
pick up the slack where I'm lacking at?
sure, I mean, I think that's kind of like the bare minimum to be in a relationship. You have to be willing
Supposed
to
to be
adapt to a
in theory.
person.
But you'll be
It's supposed to be on
you'll be
she's
like,
supposed to-
it's shocked nowadays with the generation in nowadays.
Sure.
Everybody just expects so much.
Okay, I feel like that should be communicated
Oh, yeah.
before jumping into anything though. So,
Completely
yeah.
agree.
Yeah.
32.
Completely agree.
She's lying about that 22.
Do you have any questions for him?
What is your daily habits?
Daily habits out.
Sure.
Gym. I work and go to the gym.
Anything else?
That's me. Reading ground.
What's interesting about you? What would you say is an interesting aspect of you?
Interesting.
Like, what are your hobbies? What do you like to get into besides the gym?
I'm right now. I'm
Sure.
focused on really self-love and work and gym and active. I'm being active,
What does that look like to you? Self-love.
being healthy, just caring about my body first.
Okay. What does that look like? Like,
Eat
how's your lifestyle?
right.
Eating healthy,
Like I told you, I read
working
and
out.
Okay.
Just
She is
my body
really
right.
the mess out of him, bro.
What
That's
books
all
are you
I believe in.
currently reading?
You said what?
What books are you currently reading, or what genre do you read?
Just pop your balloon and continue on with life.
She's looking for something to pop the balloon for.
Just pop your balloon, shawty, go on, man. Like, seriously.
That's the book I'm reading right now.
Sure.
He got LDE right now.
I don't.
You don't.
I don't. We can focus on that.
She's 42.
LDE.
I'm sorry.
See, there she go.
Might have ended up popping.
What happened?
I think
I had a date and he
the
didn't
energy.
answer all those
I
questions.
feel like I want someone to ask more questions for me to get to know me better. That's all.
LDE.
I think there's like
What's that,
baseline
LD?
No,
foundational
I just feel like
questions.
there's a time and place for everything.
Big man, you know how they say big man energy? That's what I'm saying. I'm not going
All
to
right, and we did get our
Y'all old,
top
so I
over
ain't gonna
here. Why
tell
did we
you.
end up popping?
Big man energy,
Oh,
little man
So,
energy.
so,
He projecting little man energy.
Yeah,
He
no.
begging. Answer all the questions, girl. You don't want, man. Just say, just continue on, child. Just don't stop torturing.
But she asked all the questions and then say that, hey, you ain't asking me no questions.
no.
And this one, she just woke up out of her
I just want to see the
drunken
other
slumber.
options. That's it.
I got you.
And she woke up off the bus.
Okay.
I don't know why y'all left me at the house.
She likes him, but he don't.
I appreciate you.
Okay, all right. Well, that is all the balloons popped, unfortunately. But we do thank you for coming on. Let's go ahead and give it up for him, ladies.
Appreciate you.
Come on, they just didn't like him.
All right, so
No, he was just too much
let's
of
go ahead and talk
A
about it.
fitness buff.
Look, this is a 30-second rundown, real quick. What do you think about it, Sharon? 30-second rundown on how do you think the ladies treated that man?
They were kind of hypercritical. I mean, he's a nice looking young man. He is into fitness and, all that kind of stuff. But I think he's like a little bit shy. I think if they had gone out on a date and really get to know him.
Did he have little man energy?
Actually he had I'm not really interested in energy.
He had a quiet feel. He
I
had a
wouldn't call
quiet
it
feel.
little man energy.
Alright, so-
I don't think that anybody in that group really appealed to him.
So, Pop, what about you?
He
What
would
do
have
you
gone.
think?
He would have gone out on a date with most of those girls, but he didn't. He's not. He's kind of a shy person, and so he's a big guy, and he's not a big guy rambunctious. He's a big guy, laid back, and hey, he's security and that kind of thing. And he was waiting for the girls to just chill out so he could select one.
I think he kind of liked the first girl.
He liked the first two. He was just, and probably the one in the blue. But
All right,
Yeah,
so
the one-
how do you feel like he handled rejection?
He did good.
He did good at handling rejection.
Mm-hmm.
Was he successful?
he stayed in the conversation. He handled the rejection well, but he didn't overcome. He didn't work through the problems they were presenting.
All right, let's go ahead and run to Bull. Because it's like, what they've been saying, they saying, oh boy, cutthroat. He been coming for him.
Stop. Before you get this one, it looks like this women panel has gone through like 5 or 6 men before they get to him.
Yeah, hey, so
Did they select any of them?
So mind you, it looks like we've started off with 1, 2,
Yeah,
3, 4,
girlfriend
5.
right here was
It's
doing
at least like 7 of them, and it looks like
Miss
no
Piggy?
one is left.
Don't call her Miss Piggy, but she's not on that.
Oh, Miss Green. Yeah, Miss Green. Miss Green is the only one that looks like she's not
She
there
got picked
anymore.
up. Okay.
Yeah, so Miss Green has some sense.
With the scrubbing power of magic
She's
eraser
settled.
and the cleaning power of Dawn,
But the one
watch these
here-
soaps come here, disappear, and sprays can leave
What
brown
else,
like that.
somebody?
Ultra foamy melts on
Yeah,
contact.
because that's the only way she would be
Give
there.
Ultra
She
foamy
had a
magic eraser.
reasonable approach to the show. She wasn't overly critical.
Well, I mean, just realistic expectations. A lot of these girls here, because they feel like they're 8s or 9s, and they really are not. But because of makeup. If they walk around without their makeup, they wouldn't look as good as they do, quote unquote.
Right.
And now, what are some of your deal
Yeah,
breakers?
Deal
breaker, being
That's
promiscuous, not cleanly, don't have a
hard.
career, nothing really going for
It's
yourself.
always bigger than Big
Oh my
Man.
God.
All right. So we did get a pop
I'd be scared of
balloon.
him.
Let's go ahead and go on over there and see what's going on.
Yes.
All right. If we can have your name and age and why you popped your balloon.
Hi, my name is
A couple people not there.
Oh, sorry, I'm supposed to say the popping the balloon proper. Got you. For me, it just did not work. I didn't feel like I had chemistry or wasn't fully attracted to you, and I feel like that counts if we were gonna be going through a dating show, you know?
Yes, the feeling is definitely mutual. So that's okay. Thank you. You did me a favor.
You know, absolutely.
Yeah.
I'm glad you have a great
Thank
day.
you, Queen. You too.
Okay. Well,
Oh,
let's
dang.
go ahead. All right, we gotta pop over here.
Love yourself.
We have your name and age and why you ended up popping your balloon.
Hi, my name is Jara. I'm 22.
Okay, and why did we end up popping our balloon?
Because you're arrogant.
The comment you made, didn't really, I like a more humble person, not someone that responds so defensive-ish. Yeah, that's really it. I didn't really necessarily like how
That's
you
fine.
responded.
Hey, I could just,
Yeah.
all I can do is be honest,
I'm
you
just
know.
be honest,
I
be your
came
authentic
over here
self, that's okay.
to find a match
Sure.
that wasn't matching. That's
Sure, I
all,
mean,
Queen.
But that, I don't know if it's
100%.
bigger
Yes,
than that
ma'am.
one.
Sure.
It might
Now,
be.
is
He's right
she
handed.
someone that's your type?
But it's weird.
She all right, you know. You're not really my type. I don't mean to be disrespectful,
Oh,
you
man.
know, but if I see you in public, I wouldn't reach out to you.
Totally fine.
Really, she look
None-
42.
None. She does not.
Look, you see where he looked back? Y'all, you see that look back. He was like, what? Y'all popping?
Yes,
Oh, yeah.
ma'am.
Sure.
The one
And I
who
was,
Watch
she
my
someone
shoe
that's your
move.
type?
dressed a lot first, too.
She all right, you know. You're not really my type. I don't mean to be disrespectful,
No disrespect.
you know, but if I see you in public, I wouldn't reach out to you.
Totally fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
All right. And we did get a pop balloon over here. Your name and age and why you ended up popping your
Your hand
balloon.
up for you.
I'm Lex, and I'm 23, and I popped my balloon because I feel like you could be a tad bit disrespectful, like how you, like, I don't know.
He just
arrogant
rough.
a little bit.
Yes.
Yeah, just that.
Well, voicing my opinion is not arrogant. You know, she asked me if she would be a good fit for me. If I like what I see, you know, it's contrary to the truth. So
Of course.
that's all I can do is just state what I see. That's not a good look for me. That's all, Queen. But thank you. You did me a favor as well.
Yeah. Also, what I have to say
Let me
is,
joke on you.
it's not what you say. This is what I mean by what I said. It's not what you say, it's how you say it. You
Yes.
could have rephrased a lot of the things that you have been saying to me as well as the other girls differently. But that's all I have to say.
But one thing about me is I'm not gonna change who I am
Of course.
to fit somebody else's liking. You know, I'm just
But you
gonna
see
tell
what
it
I'm
how it
saying?
is.
This
If you're
arm
not
is
it, that's not it. You
abnormal
know,
to that
the one that is it, I'm gonna let
We'll
it
have
be
to
known.
see when he
Okay.
You know,
turns.
for surely, yes.
Respectful.
Your name and
You
age
still
and
drunk.
why you ended up popping your balloon.
Brianna, 26. My eyes are up here, baby. Are you looking at the tattoo?
No, I'm looking at the hair on your arms. You know, the women I deal with, they don't have hair on their
Don't
arms.
do too much.
Hey, I'm just being honest,
Don't do
Queen.
too much.
You know, I don't like that.
Oh,
That's
that's
all
a
I was
tattoo
looking at. You
she
trying to
has
say if
going
I'm
up
looking
here.
at particular
Down.
body
You just
parts,
wasn't looking
but
at
that's
my
not what
eyes.
it is.
That's
No, I was
all
looking at the
pointing
hair on
out.
your
Anyways,
arms, Queen.
she asked me the question.
Yes.
Baby,
Yeah, I'm in
you just
jail,
put that
so
arm
you
up.
ain't
That
saying
arm is
nothing.
Okay.
No.
Don't do too much.
Well, you're
though.
not qualified, baby.
Alright,
So that's all
Because he
good.
does everything with his right hand.
I know.
Okay.
That's not an excuse.
So we do still have 3 unpopped, but she looking like you gonna pop? Okay. Okay. All right. If we can have your name and age and why you ended up popping.
My name is Jacqueline. I'm 25. I popped because I have hair on my arms.
She's funny.
Hey, just because you got hair on your arms, that's okay though, Queen. You look phenomenal though.
Thank you.
You know, she ain't fit to my liking. She ain't even fit to my... Hey, excuse me, Queen. I'm talking to this woman right here. Well, I could look anyway. I could look anyway I want to. You know? But yeah, can y'all give her balloon back though?
She don't want it.
Yeah, do you want your
Put in the
balloon back,
wrist,
Queen?
on the
We're not
front.
talking to you, sweetheart.
Okay.
You already been, I already let you know. I'm not interested in... You got more hair on your arms than me, baby. But anyways,
Okay. So he's saying get your balloon back, but how you feeling?
I'm not gonna give my balloon back.
okay.
All right. No problem. So we do still have 2 balloons.
Yes.
Do we still have 2 balloons?
Don't pop the balloon. Got one.
Let's go
Oh,
over
you know,
here.
she's
I thought you
down
had to.
to
That's
that.
what I
She's
had
too
to
young.
ask. So if we can have your
I'm
name and
18.
age and why you ended up popping.
My name is Kayla. I'm 23. Originally, I was not gonna pop my balloon because I know a lot of them popped it because he was being, I guess, arrogant. But to me, I like my man that's not gonna sit in every girl's face and compliment them. So I didn't find that offensive to me. But when they started when it was going on, I'm very like I don't want to say I'm
No,
argumentative.
I didn't say
But I don't
very
want my man
because of
to
that.
argue back with me because
You
then
can
I
still
feel
say
like
you
it's
don't
gonna
like
always
the
be a
person
problem.
you
That was the
see.
only reason why I popped my balloon because I was just like, dang. But then with
Tactful.
me, you kind of got a little bit catty with me, and you a little sassy just a little bit. And since you want to come at everybody over here, I'm gonna get at you too. You kind of look like a Ninja Turtle. You're not that cute. You need to relax. You stocky as hell. And I was trying to be respectful, but like you was really coming up like I didn't like it. I'm from the South and I can handle like a lot
She
of
looked like a Ninja Turtle
criticism
woman.
and stuff like that, but the way you was coming, you just act like you got it all like that. And I guarantee you probably got a roommate at home and it's just not giving anymore.
Well, let me say this, Queen. I'm a licensed plumber.
So I do real estate
I
and
live
property management.
I live downtown.
So what you do ain't
I live
nothing compared to
downtown.
me.
I stay by myself, Queen. You know, and you're not even qualified to be even
You
dealing
say
with me.
everybody not qualified.
You definitely not. You know, if anything, it was one of these
see
two.
that one?
I wasn't even looking your way. You
And
ain't
the one
my
that you
type.
wanted popped
If I
up
see, that's fine.
So
That
what?
is totally fine.
Okay.
But one thing about me, I could pull 100,000 on the bank. Can you do the same?
Get this
Yeah, you
man
can't
out
do
here.
that. You can't do that though, baby. Yeah,
Let's
in a real
move
way.
on.
You
Let's
can't
move
do
on.
that though, Queen.
All right, if we can have your
They
name
cut.
and age.
Oh, so
But
they
he,
cut.
but he cutting back.
And Esther,
Oh, yeah,
you
they
started
cut the
balloon
show.
popped. Why
Yeah.
so?
Because they grow out of hand.
Oh yeah, I'm done with the rest of that. You know,
Okay, now we can talk, right?
in a real way.
Okay. What do you look for?
I look
What are
for
you looking for?
a woman, like I said, that's not going to be promiscuous, a woman that's going to be consistent, a woman that has a career and things going for herself. Because I have the
Like
same
his
things
arms
going
up.
for
It
myself,
is.
Okay.
you know, as well.
And
I
he
don't need a
also
woman
kinda
to give me her money
You know,
or
but if he
anything.
just held the
I'm
mic with the
looking
other
for
hand, he'd be
devotion
able to check it
and
out.
some
But
loyalty.
you know,
That's
you
all.
be
And
flexing
some
with the
honesty.
mic up
You
there.
believe in
You
God?
flex
Oh,
easy.
certainly.
No,
Yes,
he dropped
ma'am. I'm a
that
God-fearing man. I
he put the mic
practice
in his other hand
monotheism.
now, and
You
that
know, I'm
arm
gonna
still
tell you
look
what
bigger
I
than that one.
identify as religion-wise, but we can get to that at a later date and time. You know,
Okay.
if you choose
Somebody
to
need to tell you
leave
when
here
you
with
work
me.
out, make it
Okay.
even.
Do you
He's
know the
not
Bible
working out,
says
he's
that love
working.
is kind?
Yes, certainly.
Are you here for love or are you here to just
I'm
insult
trying
everyone?
to create a family. You know,
Okay.
that's what I aspire to do.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
You're good?
That
Okay,
smile
all right.
crazy.
Any questions for her?
He a Ninja Turtle
No,
smile.
not at all.
Do you have any kids?
He just
No, I
like,
don't.
Do you want kids?
I do. You
How old
gonna
are
give
you
me
again?
some? Huh?
How old are you?
I'm 29. How old are you?
23.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's perfectly fine. You know, we might as well get up out of here right now. Yeah.
Leave those other pennies alone.
Okay.
no.
All right, so it seems like there's a little vibe here. So is it gonna be a yes for you for him?
God says save souls, so yeah.
Oh, and is it a yes for you
It's
for
gonna
her?
be a hell yes for me.
Okay, we got a match. All right, let me take this mic and y'all
That's
can go
cool.
on.
He got the best one. He got the best one. What?
No, that arm is abnormal.
Go back. Let's see that.
All right,
arm
everyone,
again.
thank you for tuning in on this episode of Pop the Balloon or Fight.
I don't care if he is right-handed or not.
Oh, okay. All right, any questions
But you're
for
right.
her?
He may need to be
No,
more balanced,
not at
but
all.
he doesn't. I don't think he
No.
just works out one
Do you
arm.
want kids?
I do. You
How old
gonna
are
give
you
me
again?
He
some?
does look smaller from
How
this
old are
angle.
you?
I'm 29. How old are you?
23.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's perfectly fine.
He look crazy.
You know, we might as well get up out of here right now.
He sounds like a very nice guy. Just don't play. Just don't play with him.
No,
All right, so
I'm just saying.
seems like
this
there's a little
is
vibe
like-
here. So is it gonna be a yes for
There's
you?
nothing
for her?
wrong with being
God says
direct
save souls,
and
so
being
Oh, and is it a yes for you
No.
for
It's
her?
gonna be a hell yes for me.
Okay,
No, what you
we
want
got
from
a
this
match. All right, let me
Girl.
take this mic and y'all can go on
I'm looking. Yeah.
Yeah,
All
that's
right.
something
So,
wrong with the arm.
what are y'all thoughts about your boy the plumber?
What's
a little
this
arrogant.
whole world coming to? He's a hunter, and he was letting them know he's a hunter.
Yeah, but he was a little arrogant. I mean,
No.
he can be. You can be confident, but you don't have to be arrogant.
But if you hunting and you got little fish that snap back at you, you slap them back until you get the one you want.
No, it's okay to say no. You're not my type, or no, I'm not interested. But it's the way he did it. He was like about to chew him up and spit him out.
No, but he was very direct and very plain,
But my
and
whole
it got
thing
worse
about
and
it
worse. But the women kept on ganging up on him.
versus the first person versus him.
He was getting chopped down. That first guy was getting chopped up.
By who?
Every woman in that line. Oh, you're not you're not
No,
they're
who
not
was the
tall
first-
enough.
who
You know,
was the
the
first
tall, dark,
person?
and handsome guy.
Who was the first person?
The tall, dark, and handsome guy we were talking about.
We basically
You know what?
skipped everyone.
His problem was he was just too quiet.
But what I'm
Yeah,
saying
we
is
skipped all
he
the
got
other
chopped
ones.
up by the women.
We didn't
The
see-
women from
Well, I didn't see the other ones in between.
But
No,
the
we're not
reason
talking
why
about the other
we
ones in
basically
between.
went with the best person that we felt that would have maybe had a shot to at least get a coffee date with you back when.
At least with that
the
boy in
other
the blue.
dude, a few of them you wouldn't even gave no coffee date to. So that's the reason why we went to them and then we went here because it's kind of
He's a nice guy. He had low energy. You slap me in the
Oh,
face,
man.
I'll let you
But
go.
he liked the girl in pink too.
He liked them all. He just wanted to date. This guy liked a couple of them, and he let him know he didn't like a couple
So
of them.
which one would you rather be?
I like to be the guy with the smile with the $100 in his account. And with the beautiful
but-
girl on his arm. Look at that girl.
No, he's a little deformed. I'm sorry.
It's okay if
That
he's
one-
deformed, but he got
that one
$100 in
arm-
his account.
If he pumps his arm up like that other arm, then he'd be all right.
And that means he has to start working out.
That's just
You can cut that up any way
that's
you want
just
to,
creepy
as
to
long
me.
as you have it.
Go ahead and say your buys. Let the world know you appreciate them.
Bye bye. Thank
Like,
you for
comment,
watching.
share, and all that. You know,
Like,
old man
comment.
podcast
Please
coming out.
look back and enjoy this film, whatever it is, and come back to the station.
If you
because
want
we
to see
should have-
more content, like us, subscribe. See you later.
Because my hands make it one. And comment.
Please
because-
comment. 'Cause, no.
Yeah, comment. The plumber had a big old bicep like
No.
this, right?
Yeah, but
Just
no.
like this.
No.